Hey, what's up? Georgie here. Just showing my collection of pocket knives. This is from the Ozark trail knives. Get from Walmart. Yeah, you can tell that was been used. This one comes with a belt clip. I got another one right here. This green with black blade belt clip. Okay, this one's a little hard to get. There it goes. Get it open. Has a belt clip. You can tell, yeah, that one's been used before. I'm gonna go through some cheap ones. I got like either a flea market or somewhere. This last one here, red color, belt clip. Right. Then I got another one in blue. Yeah, of course, this one. And the red ones have serrades with a belt clip. I got another red one with a belt clip. So is that like for firefighters? I got this stainless steel one, belt clip, half serrated. I got this this little rinky dink one. I keep it. At my desk, just pretty much to open up letters with. Got another little. Both these, I don't even, like I said, they flea market at gas station stuff. The only thing I got, no, this one I think I got at Dollar Tree. The only thing I don't like about it is the little plastic belt clip. I got this one, house rated stainless steel. Another one with plastic belt clip, which I don't like. This one I got at Lowe's years ago. It only had things right here you could clip on your belt loop, so you could just press a button to unclip it. Half serrated. Here's another one I got at Lowe's. This is like from years ago. Half serrated. Metal belt clip. This one I used a couple of times before. This one I got at Walmart. Glass breaker, like a seatbelt cover, seatbelt cutter. Then right here, ferro rod. Got a flashlight, which I need to get new batteries for. House rated. Then I got this stiletto from Still River. Has that white epoxy handle to have that pearl look to it with a nice belt clip. Then I got a new T-bar yard self finds. This got a bears on it, belt clip, half serrated stainless steel blade. Got this one like wolves, metal belt clip, stainless steel half serrated blade. Found this one at a flea market. The stainless steel blade. Metal handle, pretty good. And I got this one, bought it at Tractor Supply. The Smith Wesson with American flag metal handle. This was I pretty much carry this one a lot. Then got this Karamba. With a metal belt clip. This one I got at the flea market. Has like pictures. Was the handles some plastic, metal belt clip, glass breaker, seat belt cover. That Tanto style blade, half serrated. Then this is for that TRS tap. Cool. It's a striker, spring assist opening with that Tanto tap blade, metal handle, nice belt clip. The last place, not least, I got this Evo Tech metal handle, nice thick blade, not thick, but like that way. Belt clip, seat belt cutter, glass, like a little glass breaker. Well, like these, my pocket knives or my fixed blade knives. If you want me to start doing like certain ones, we just do a certain video on like the overall length and stuff. Just let me know. And plus, I believe everyone should at least have one good fixed blade knife and one good bold knife. Thanks.